Welcome to this educational video on the basics of routing and routing tables. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of how data travels across networks, thanks to routing. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clear understanding of what routing is, how routers work, and the role of routing tables in making it all happen. The Internet is a remarkable technological achievement, connecting millions of networks worldwide and enabling seamless communication between them. But how does this intricate web of connectivity work? It's all about routing. At its core, routing is the process of determining the best path for data to travel from one network to another. Whether you're accessing information from the other side of the planet or sending a message to a friend, routing is what makes it all possible. Let's break down the basic steps of routing. A router receives a packet of data on one of its interfaces. The router examines the destination IP address of this packet. It looks up the destination network in its routing table. The router forwards the packet to the interface closest to the remote network, based on the information in the routing table. This process repeats as needed until the data reaches its destination. To illustrate this, let's consider a simple example. Imagine a router connected to two networks, Network A and Network B. The router has interfaces on both networks. Now, a computer on Network A wants to send data to an address, say, 10.0.0.10 on Network B. Here's what happens. The computer sends the packet to its gateway, the router. The router examines the packet, finds the destination IP, and checks its routing table. It determines that Network B is the correct destination and forwards the packet to Network B through its interface. Let's complicate things a bit by introducing a third network, Network C, connected through another router with an IP of 10.0.0.1 on Network B and 172.16.1.1 on Network C. Now, if a computer on Network A wants to send data to 172.16.1.100 on Network C, the routing process still applies. The packet goes from Network A to the router on Network B, and then to the second router, ultimately reaching its destination. Keep in mind that on the Internet, data often crosses multiple routers, and core Internet routers are connected in a mesh to provide redundancy. However, the fundamental concepts of routing remain the same. You've heard us mention routing tables throughout this video. But what are they? Routing tables are essential tools that routers use to make routing decisions. These tables contain crucial information for each network, including destination network, the definition of remote networks, including network ID and net mask. Next hop, the IP address of the next router or network interface to send data to. Total hops, the number of hops or intermediary routers to reach the destination network. Interface, the router's network interface through which data should be forwarded. While basic routing tables are relatively simple, the real magic happens when you consider the scale of the Internet. Core Internet routers have millions of entries in their routing tables, and these tables are consulted for every packet that flows through them. Routing is the backbone of modern networking, and understanding how it works is crucial for IT professionals and anyone interested in the world of technology. We hope this video has provided you with a foundational understanding of routing and routing tables. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on routing protocols, shortest path determination, and the fascinating world of Internet routing. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more informative tech videos.